Let's see if Postle is going to win this pot. Something tells me he is going to win this pot, that's for sure. Because my man JD has tough hair, because Postle decided to squeeze the 2-3 offsuit here for some odd reason. And now he looks down at the dick. We saw the dick look. Here's the dick. Watch the dick. We're going to see him look at his dick every hand. This is going to be great. I mean, why doesn't he just not look at his dick sometimes? Like, why do we stare at your dick every time? I just don't get it. Like, you have to cheat every hand? Like, why? Why? I just don't get it. Like, every hand? How does no one catch this guy? I'm not sure I even want to be around anyone associated with this program, because how can they not understand that this dude, look, he looks down at his dick right here. Here's the dick. Here's the look. And then he's going to check. I mean, what is happening?